Peace and love. What's going on, y'all? This is Rich from Anywhere, and once again we're here to talk to you about the iOS update and a little bit about what's been going on lately. All right, now a lot of people are still struggling when it comes to this update. They're not getting the same results that they used to, and they're freaking out.
Did anyone notice this? I feel like I'm taking crazy pills!
And honestly, I don't blame you for freaking out. If you can't figure out what it is that's going on, naturally that would be the natural response. Okay, but we're always here to help you. So anytime we get new information, anytime we try new things, anytime we come up with a way to crack the code, we're always going to deliver that to you. Now, with that being said, we have a new strategy that you can literally utilize right now in order to get better results via your ads. All right, but you're gonna have to stay till the end of this video in order to get it. So before we even get into it, go ahead and click that like button, click that subscribe button, and share this with anyone who wants to learn more about digital marketing or anyone who is struggling in this particular space, because hey, we're always here to help you, right? Now, with that being said, a lot of advertisers are struggling right now when it comes to running ads. Retargeting strategies aren't working the way that they used to for certain people. Our students are still doing pretty well with retargeting, but across the board, it's just not the same as it used to be. So you have to get really creative with the types of things you're doing in your ads. You can't be using the same picture creatives and video creatives that you used 6 months ago if they're not converting anymore. You have to think a little bit more outside of the box, and that brings me to the strategy. Facebook just released something called the Big Catch Playbook. Now, this playbook was specifically designed for gamers. However, you can utilize this to help increase your brand, because this playbook was literally created to help gamers get better results from running ads towards their particular games and getting more sales. So one thing that I want to pinpoint inside of this Big Catch Playbook is the fact that Facebook is telling their audience that they need to test more creative. We always love to aim for extremely broad audiences when we're doing our targeting. We don't like to keep narrow audiences. We want our audiences to be at least 1 million people or above. So we've always been on this wave, but now everyone's just catching up with it because of this whole iOS update. You don't want to aim for one particular area of your audience, because you could be missing out on a ton of sales from other people that you're not speaking to. Well, how do you speak to them, Stevie? It's actually pretty cool. All right, so check this strategy out that we're about to show you. All right, so the key to this whole strategy is understanding that you have a large variety of different customers, of potential customers that are willing to shop with you if they knew you existed and if you spoke directly to them. The best way to speak directly to a very broad audience is to test different styles of creatives, different styles of videos. All right, now in order to do this and to test these different styles, you have to figure out what the top motivators are for your potential consumers or for people that buy within your niche. Everyone has some sort of motivator that pushes them to actually buy. So what I'm gonna do, and you can get your pen out for this, your pen, piece of paper, write this down. I'm gonna go over a list of different motivators that actually motivate people to buy. Number one, when people are shopping, a lot of times they're shopping because they want to feel better about themselves. Especially when it comes to selling clothing or any type of fashion item, people want to feel good about themselves, right? I know sometimes when I shop, I'm shopping because I want to feel better about myself. I want to look good, you know what I'm saying? Number two, retail therapy, all right? Retail therapy is huge. I remember back when I was in college, I used to literally go shopping anytime that I felt stressed out, right? So if I was having a bad day or I felt stressed out, I'm like, yo, I'm gonna go shopping and I'm about to cop all of this different gear because it makes me feel better, right? So retail therapy, people being stressed out, is a big key motivator for individuals. Another key motivator is the fact that sometimes people fall on large lump sums of money and they just want to spend it. Perfect example, during the whole situation in 2020 where everything pretty much shut down, one thing that kept the economy moving is the fact that these stimulus checks were delivered to a lot of different Americans, and that really helped out. And that really helped a lot of e-commerce brands as well. I mean, we have students who did 6 figures last year, and a big driving force of that was because people fell on some money. Influencers. Influencers are really, really big, and you know, a lot of times a key motivator for people to actually shop is the fact that their favorite influencer, actor, actress, Instagram celebrity promoted that item, or they're wearing that item, or they're doing something with the item. Influencers are a great way to build your brand. Self-expression, all right? A big time key motivator for shoppers, especially in the fashion industry, is self-expression. People don't always want to look the same. People don't always want to wear what everyone else is wearing, right? So if you have a brand that deals with self-expression and, you know, freedom to express yourself, that's something that you want to speak to in your ads as well, because it's going to speak to that particular audience that's interested in expressing themselves in freedom. Some people just want more attention, and that is a big time motivator. Everyone wants attention at some point in their life, you know, and you want to speak to that. You want to speak to these individuals that want more attention. You want to show them particular creatives that are going to highlight the fact that they're going to get a lot of attention using this product, or they're going to get a lot of attention wearing this product. And last on the list is lack of product. And when I say lack of product, here's what I mean. It's a Saturday night, all your friends are going out, you look in your closet because you want to go out with them, and you see that there's nothing there for you to wear. I'm sure you've been there before. I've been there too. But that's called lack of a product, lack of having product. A lot of people go through this. A lot of times people look in their closet and see that they don't have a particular item that they want to wear. So what are they gonna do? They're gonna go online and they're gonna go shopping. So I've given you the list of different motivators that you can now use to actually create stronger ads that are gonna speak to these particular audiences, all right? Now you can split test your ads, right? So test one video against another, and in each particular video, speak to that particular audience based on whatever the motivator is that you want to target. But this is a great way to tap into other audiences that you haven't spoken to before. And it's a great way to pick up new buyers, which turn into repeat customers. And that's what we're all about, is bringing in new customers and increasing that lifetime value of those particular customers. I hope this helped you. You can literally use this right now. Get creative with your video creatives. Video tends to work better than picture. And here's the thing, let me say this too. Facebook recently said that this particular strategy has increased ad quality by 26%. And I don't know if you know about ad quality, but basically ad quality allows your ad to be seen by more people. The more people that see your ad, the more people that click your link, the more people that go to your website, and so on and so forth until they actually purchase. So increasing your ad quality is high on Facebook's list as far as getting your ad seen and giving you the potential to make more sales. So with all that being said, hope you enjoyed the video. Definitely take action on this strategy. Let us know how it is. Drop a comment, and we will be back in the next video. Peace.